Sorry for the abrupt start. Just finished breakfast. And well, we had to get rushing because we have to meet up at 7:30 and it's 7:25. So yeah, we can't go for any longer. Oh, and look at that. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a ship. Finally, a good comparison. Out of the ship. Look how big it is. And that's a bus. Right down there. Oh wait, no, that's the train. Oh, we're automatically on. Yeah, that's the train.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look how big the ship is. It's bigger than me. Then you got
anything
the church.
It's so small.
Then you got like, what is that? Big Ben? The New Zealand of Big Ben. The Big Ben of New Zealand.
Church.
Yeah, a church. Right over there.
Oh, the trees here.
I don't think we can vlog anymore. Hi guys, just got off that train. I mean, look how long it is. It is very long. We stood right here, right there, half the time, and that's why us three have like pollen allergies, because the pollen and the diesel and all that bad stuff. Anyway, probably just stop here for a bit, taking medicine. Yeah, I already had one, and yeah, couldn't film that much because there are other people and I don't want to disturb their sleep. So yeah. Everyone's looking at the stuff that people are selling, as you can see, and my dad cares more about this stuff.
So yours is
He cares about the cars.
It's great import from Japan, meaning they're probably sell very cheaply here. They're not very import.
He likes
Fine.
brown cars, beige cars. But look at what this says. People! There's people right around there. Dad, there's people! Hello! Can you guys see that?
Oh, they see us.
Oh, hello! Hello! Did they live here? Morning! We are now on the bridge. Oh, mega! So many trees there. This is creepy. And look at them. Happy tourists. Or travelers, I don't know. Oh, sheep! guys, we're back. I have pollen allergies, so don't expect too much for today, but look at this ship. It's smaller, which means less people, which can be better. And that boat just going away. Anyway, probably just gonna chill in our room until dinner. I don't really feel like going out. Got my lolly scramble. It's pretty much just lollies, a mixed bag, but yeah. Just had a quality nap, that was good. Couldn't vlog that, I mean, who wants to see young men snoring? Anyway, look at this view. Yes? Oh, that's where we are, where we were from. This is where we are. Going very slowly because of, that looks very shallow and I guess we don't want to get beached. So, oh, swimming. What the hell? Hello? Hello? Around there. Like, hello? Not as nice as Aussies. But yeah, now see ya dinner. Hi guys, we're back. Okay, we're going to Windjammer at the buffet instead of the a la carte, like them serving it to you. So, never been there for dinner, so let's see what they have. Did something different. See the difference? 99% of Harvard graduates can't spot the difference. Sauteed onions, chicken fingers. Nice view. Yep, we are still in sea. UHF walkie-talkie battery charging station. Guys, where are we going? It's kind of cold for him because he has no jacket because he's unprepared. I mean, adults these days, really bad. Hey guys, just been chilling in our room, been tubing for a bit. Have that probably after this, so probably show my best selves, but yeah, sun says the hours would set and it's like 8 o'clock. I love daylight savings and summer. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Join me tomorrow.
Hi, Poo Poo.
Anyway.
That guy's name is actually Poo Poo, by the way.
Yeah,
he
my
calls
name.
me great grandpa.
Ma! Grandma!
I'd rather be called that than a Poo Poo, so. Also,
Vlog!
Well,